So in this video, we're going to be talking about Nikola and Trevor Milton selling his stock after his lockup period is done. So I'm going to play a little bit of video of Jim Cramer talking about the insiders extending up 135 million shares have extended lockup period, and I'll play it and then I'll talk. And then in this video, they also discuss Trevor Milton. So I will play this and then I'll talk more about it.
Let's talk about previous management. I understand, correct me if I'm wrong, that you co-owned an entity with Trevor Milton called T&M Residual, owns 39 million shares. I understand that you extended your lockup. There's a very big lockup coming up, the lockup expiration, that you've extended the period that you don't want to sell, especially the 39 million shares in the entity that you co-own. But what happens if Milton decides to sell? He owns an awful lot of stock. I mean, I would feel like that his 92 million shares might be free to trade. I don't know how much is locked up. I just worry people will listen, they'll want to buy hydrogen, and they might run into a gauntlet of stock that is thrown down by Trevor Milton.
Yeah, I manage those T&M shares, and then we have a bunch of strategic partners who have taken big positions in the company. Many of them have joined our board of directors, Hanwha, CNH, Bosch, people like that, controlling a lot of shares. A number of those folks have agreed to extend their lockup to the end of April, May 1. So I think there's 135 million shares that have extended their lockup that actually would have otherwise expired in the 1st of December.
How about those 92 million shares that Trevor's free to trade next week? I mean, do we have any assurances from him? It doesn't seem like well, it's up to him, obviously, but do you have any assurances that he might want to hold on here for the long term?
Can't comment for Trevor, of course, but we believe that as we execute on our milestones and on our business plan, we're going to reward our long-term focused shareholders.
Nikola right now is trading at $30.36. I did buy some put options on Nikola for next week on December 4th. As you can see, there is way more interest in puts than there are on calls right now. So as you can see, there's a lot of bids on put, some at 28, some at 25, some at 23. There's 21, 20, lots of at 20. I did buy some put options, so I'm not going to disclose what price I bought it at, and how much, but I did buy some put option. So Trevor Milton, this is on Wiki. Trevor Milton has about 91.6 million shares of Nikola. That's worth about 3.1 billion. But if we just take the price of it right now, we can just do the math. 91.6 times 30, called $2.7 billion. So if Nikola stock maintains its stock price at $30, Nikola Trevor Milton is essentially a billionaire. Yay! I quit my job and I'm a billionaire. So in theory, when his lockup, if the stock price continues to maintain its price or even goes up further, Trevor Milton is a billionaire guaranteed by the time his lockup period is expired. I'm surprised there's no news of him going to jail. Maybe he's going to sell his stock to pay off all his legal fees and maybe avoid jail. I have no idea, but he can sell as soon as on December 1st, which is next week. It's going to be interesting. That's all I have to say. It's going to be interesting. That's why I buy put options, because I feel like he will sell, because he sold a lot. He sold a bunch of shares at $10, so I don't see why he wouldn't sell a bunch of shares at $30 or even $20. So if the stock price plummets back to $20, I don't know. I don't know. Like, maybe rich people don't care and they'll let him have the money. They'll let him transfer their wealth to him. I don't know. I feel like it's like a no-brainer bet to short the stock. But again, there could be some news, like maybe there's some news that Trevor Milton decided to lock up his shares and not sell his stock. Maybe and then the stock could skyrocket. I don't really know at the end of the day, but for now, I feel like, because of that unlock from Trevor Milton of almost 92 million shares, feel like there's going to be a lot of pressure on the stock. Again, this is just using logic and applying it to the stock market, but sometimes logic doesn't work out. We'll see what happens. Tesla is up, so it looks like Tesla just keeps going up. I don't know. $1,000 be worth more than Facebook? Sure, why not? Solo is up 31 cents after hours, 3.74%. So Solo looks like it's bouncing back a little bit. This could be, could be an opportunity to buy some put options. But if you're bullish, you can also buy some calls or buy some stock. One of the two scenarios. Nikola, I already talked about Nikola. Neo is down 94 cents, 1.75%. SBE is ChargePoint is down 6.45%. Xpeng is down $7.49. CIIC is down 8.35%. ACB is very volatile today. Well, not very volatile, but it's down. Village Farms is up 47 cents. Kron is down 4 cents. CGC is down 10 cents. Afria is up 13 cents. CIIC is down $2.17. Nano Dimension is up today 11.82%. High Blockchain Technology is down 9 cents. PEV, Pure Mineral Energies, just had a reverse split not too long ago, and now it has about 30 million shares, which is not a very big float. Virgin Galactic Holdings up $1.82. Beyond Meat is down $1.50, and Very Good Food Company is having a very good day, up 72 cents. TAT is down right now 33 cents, 8.97%. High Tide is down half a penny. Let's look at some of Liberal Health Science today is up half a penny. Harv, nice bounce back, up 8%. Kira is up 4%. Men is neutral. That's all I really have to say, not too much. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.